welcome back, and we are going to be doing the plan with me for the week of July 14th through the 20th in my memory keeping planner. I used the Gotta Catch 'em All kit, or the Pokemon kit from Scribble Prints Co. and the Catch 'em All bundle in rainbow from Plannahannah. I have my custom multi here, also from Plannahannah in rainbow, and I have all of my scripts and icons that I wanted to use in this already pulled. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Pulled, so we can just go ahead and fill this in. So I'm going to move the second half of the week. I'm going to zoom y'all in. Alright, and we are going to start with Monday. On Monday, I slept in. This is from the foil bundle, the little bed and sleep in script. I had my coffee, which is from the foil bundle, and the little freebie was the Pokemon balls, and I'm using the Pokemon balls this week as my for my coffee. I had some TV time in the morning, which is both from the foil bundle. I mowed my lawn, which is from, that is from Carlea Plans. I was reading Wolf and Daggers this day, which Kindle, this little Kindle thing is from Carlea Plans, and I did the dishes. The fork, knife, and plate is from the foil bundle. So, dishes. I was reading Wolves and Daggers. And I had to mow the lawn again. Alright. On Tuesday, I slept in, which the bed is from Carlea Plans. I had coffee. Let's see here. Let me pull out my notes here. I forgot. Alright, yeah, okay. Yeah, so Tuesday I slept in. I pulled stickers, which I just used this little envelope from the foil bundle. I watched some Dance Moms with my kiddo. My mother-in-law came, which this is from Plannahannah, it's just unfoiled. My mother-in-law came for a night. She was just in town. I had my therapy appointment, which the stethoscope is from the foil bundle and the appointment is from the foil bundle. And the little bookie book here. I just gotta switch this around. Is from the foil bundle as well. So we had sleep in, we had our coffee, we pulled some stickers. The kiddo and I watched some Dance Moms. My mother-in-law was here for a day and a night. And alright. On to Wednesday the 16th. Excuse me. I had coffee in the morning. My mother-in-law left. This is from the kit. This is from the foil bundle. The shopping cart is from the foil bundle, and so is this groceries because we went and got some groceries. When we got home, we just had some TV time, which is from Plannahannah. Excuse me, sorry. This is from Papershire. I didn't have any Lego stickers, but we were building some Legos, and so that's from Papershire. We had a family dinner, and this was from the foil bundle, the little clock, and I had a bath that night, like just to kind of relax. So I had coffee. My mother-in-law left. We had some TV time, Legos, and a family dinner. Okay, so that's the first half of the week. On to the second half on Thursday. I slept in, which is from the foil bundle. The Pokemon ball is from the kit. Sorry. I did some dishes, which is from the foil bundle. Let's see here. I had a YouTube binge, which this is from the foil bundle. I did have like a meltdown this night. We were binge watching some Bob's Burgers, and we had some family time. Most of this all is from Plannahannah, or the foil bundle from Plannahannah. This is from Plans, this little family guy here, if you can see, yeah, which is no longer open. But we had some family time. I did some dishes. And had some more coffee. And we had a sleep-in. So this is like the last, no, this is still July. So this is before my daughter started school anyway. Okay. Friday, we had coffee, which is from the kit. I cuddled with my kiddo. We watched some Dance Moms. We called my brother, which these are all from Plannahannah because it was his birthday. I don't remember where this yawning girl is from, but I was just tired AF at the end of the day, and we built some Legos. Legos have been like a big thing in my house lately, so we've been building a lot of Legos. A lot of Legos. Alright. Legos, okay. And the 19th, which is Saturday, I woke up and had some coffee with my husband. We built more Legos. I did some dishes. Papershire, Plans. I folded some laundry foil bundle. This is from Scribble Prints Co. and I actually did some laundry. And at the end of the night we had some family time, which is from Plans. Coffee, Legos, dishes. Let's see. Fold laundry. And we did have some family time. Alright. And Sunday the 20th, the first thing I marked was we all got to sleep in, which is from Carlea Plans' little bed. The little lawnmower is from Carlea Plans. That is for coffee, which I don't have, but that's okay, I'll write it in. That's from the kit. I did run to the store, or we ran to the store, and then we kind of just relaxed that evening, and we introduced our daughter to Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, and that is from Plans. So I did not get a couple things. It's okay. I don't know why I didn't do that. I didn't get it. Oh, I forgot coffee. That's all right. I don't really like writing things in because I don't like my handwriting, but it's all right. Okay. And that was another week in my memory planner. So really all I'm going to be doing with my memory planner at this point is I'm going to be laying down the bases and the foil and the labels and stuff off camera, and then we will fill it all in with the scripts and icons together. Just because sometimes, like when I'm bored, I just sit on the couch and just lay down stickers. So, but that is that one. I love it. This was my brother's birthday week, and next week you will see that was for my husband's birthday week. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.